In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to decrease image resolution in Photoshop quickly and correctly without messing up your image quality more than necessary. This is super useful if you're trying to reduce file size for web uploads, emails, or just make your images lighter and easier to handle. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along, even if you're a beginner. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and open your image inside Photoshop. Once your image is open, head up to the top menu and click on Image, then select Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac to open it instantly. This will bring up the image size dialog box where all the magic happens. Now inside this window, you'll see a few important settings. The first thing you can do is reduce the width and height in pixels. As you lower these values, your image dimensions shrink, which directly reduces the resolution and file size. Alternatively, you can adjust the resolution field itself. For example, if your image is set to 300 pixels per inch, which is typical for print, you can lower it to 72 pixels per inch, which is ideal for web use. This won't always change dimensions unless resampling is enabled, which brings us to the most important setting here. Make sure that the resample option is turned on. This is crucial because it allows Photoshop to actually remove pixels from the image when you reduce the size or resolution. If resample is off, Photoshop will only change how the image is displayed or printed, not its actual file size. So double check that box before you proceed. You can also choose a resampling method from the dropdown. For most cases, automatic works perfectly fine, especially if you're just reducing size. Once you've adjusted your width, height, or resolution, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, your image resolution is decreased and your file size will also be smaller. This is especially useful if you're uploading images to websites or trying to improve page load speed. Quick tip before we wrap up. If you're exporting images for the web, stick with 72 pixels per inch. If you're preparing images for print, keep it at 300 pixels per inch to maintain quality. And that's it. You now know how to decrease image resolution in Photoshop the right way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.